Accidentally got sauce or dripped coffee on your tie? Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you an easy way to spot clean your ties. Let's get started. Get a small container and pour about 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Then add 1 or 2 drips of dishwashing liquid. Mix together and using a cotton swab, dab the stains on your tie with the solution. Gently work in the liquid slightly. Now let the tie air dry completely. Once dried, the stain is gone. If you still see a faint stain, repeat the process once more. Works well on dark or light colored ties, and we've tried the solution on both 100% silk and 100% polyester ties. If you're worried about damaging your favorite tie, you can always try the solution on an inconspicuous spot to test it out. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.